Its tiny size, just 58mm long and 21g in weight, it packs 7 functional tools, including a blade, scissors, nail file, screwdriver, tweezers, and toothpick. But what makes the printed yellow version stand out is its place in the Classic Colors collection, which features bold, expressive shades like Mango Tango and Sunnyside, designed to reflect your personality as much as your practicality. The Classic SD is the best-selling Swiss Army knife on the planet. Millions of people carry it on their keychains, making it a true icon of everyday carry gear.